Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Bob World Internet Banking account, and now let's dive right in. And now to log into your Bob World Internet Banking account, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address Bank of Baroda .in and hit on enter. And after that you'll be directed to the home page of Bank of Baroda or Bob World. Now in order to log into your internet banking, from over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available for us. Click on there, and over here on the first option here it says the Bob World Internet Banking India. You can click on that. We'll be logging into this account or our internet banking account, but if you want to log into any other type of account including your mutual funds, your e-trade or your employee account, over here all are available over here. In order to log into net banking account, we'll be going to the Bob World Internet Banking, which is this one, and over here you'll be required to enter your user ID of your Bob World account. And over here guys, after entering your user ID, click on login, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password, and after that you'll be able to log into your Bob World Internet Banking account. And so guys, this is how to log into your Bob World Internet Banking account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.